Welcome to Wealth Rise. Do you ever look around and just feel like everyone else has way more money than you do? It's so easy to feel behind, right? Especially when you see coworkers rolling up in expensive cars or posting these crazy lavish vacations online. But here's the secret we're diving into in today's explainer. Those visible markers, they're usually just an illusion of wealth. They aren't the reality. Today, we're cutting through the flash to uncover the real, quiet indicators of true financial success. So let's look at loud debt versus silent wealth. True wealth, honestly, it's silent. It's structural. It's kind of hidden in the shadows. And that is a huge contrast to the loud, visible stress of just trying to keep up appearances. Loud debt literally screams for attention with shiny upgrades and new toys, but silent wealth, it whispers. It whispers with margin, security, and peace. So let's walk through the 5 silent signs that you're actually doing great with your money, even if it doesn't always feel like it on the surface.
All right, let's build the foundation. Sign number 1, financial margin. Having margin just means you're living on less than you make. Sounds simple, right? But man, this basic step is incredibly rare. According to MarketWatch, 57% of Americans say they are living paycheck to paycheck. Think about that. For well over half the country, after the monthly bills go out, there is basically nothing left over. And without that gap between your income and expenses, building wealth is genuinely impossible. But if you have even a little bit of money left over at the end of the month, you are already ahead of the majority of the population who don't have any financial breathing room at all to invest or save. That leftover cash, that's your army of dollar bills just waiting to go to work for you.
And having that margin naturally unlocks the next level. Sign number 2, the emergency firewall.
An emergency fund isn't just some abstract finance concept. It is real cash sitting in a highly accessible savings account, completely ready for when life inevitably throws a curveball at you. And the reality out there is honestly pretty stark. A recent Bankrate survey found less than half of Americans could cover a simple $1,000 emergency directly from their savings. Less than half. That means the majority would have to borrow, put it on a high-interest credit card, or ask family for help. Without this firewall, one single bad month can just spiral into crushing debt and totally derail your progress. So how do we actually build this thing? Well, there's a step-by-step approach. Step 1, save just enough to cover your highest insurance deductible. Think of this as your critical entry-level emergency fund. Then, step 2 is building out the full firewall, stashing away 3 to 6 months of living expenses. And you absolutely want this sitting in a high-yield savings account. That way, your cash is at least fighting off inflation while it's sitting there protecting you. It's this layered approach that keeps a tiny setback from turning into a total catastrophe.
Okay, firewall is in place. Time to level up. Sign number 3, consistent investing. This is where you really command that army of dollars to work for you. You're consistently putting money into tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA or a 401k. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, well, everyone does that, check this out. A 2025 survey by the Federal Reserve Bank of Philadelphia found that 57% of U.S. adults do not personally own stocks. 57%. Just by participating in the market and investing consistently, you are leaps and bounds ahead of the crowd. That's where the real magic happens. So what's the actual target here? The goal is investing 25% of your gross income. I know. That sounds like a massive chunk of your paycheck. But the math behind it is profound. If you start investing 25% by age 30, you can actually replace 119% of your pre-retirement income by the time you hit 65. And get this, that's assuming a super conservative 6% annual return. The earlier and more consistently you invest, the harder that compound interest works for you. It's a total game changer. And here is a massive pro tip. To make this completely effortless, put the whole thing on autopilot. Seriously, set up automatic contributions to your 401k and Roth IRA. Make it so that money gets invested before you ever even see it hit your checking account. You set it, you forget it, and you're just seamlessly building wealth in the background while you go live your life. All right, moving on to a much stealthier sign of wealth. Sign number 4, defeating lifestyle creep. Beating lifestyle creep means that as your income has grown over the years, your lifestyle hasn't totally exploded right along with it. You're still living below your means. And let me tell you, this is incredibly hard to do. It's so tempting to get a raise and instantly upgrade the car, get a fancier apartment, or start eating out at expensive places all the time. But to see how insidious this really is, look at this Goldman Sachs report. It found that 40% of people making over $500,000 a year are still living paycheck to paycheck. No way, right? Yes, 40%. This is exactly why a huge salary alone doesn't mean you're actually wealthy. Because if you spend it all, you keep absolutely none of it. So here's the crucial takeaway. wealth building is rarely about your top-line income. It is almost entirely about the percentage of that income that actually gets saved and invested. High earners who just inflate their lifestyle to match their massive paychecks, they struggle terribly to build real wealth. On the flip side, someone with an average income who consistently lives below their means and invests the difference, they are the ones building serious, life-changing wealth over time. So hey, if your income has gone up but your spending hasn't, you should be genuinely proud of yourself. Which brings us to the absolute pinnacle of our pyramid. Sign number 5, true peace of mind.
Look, the ultimate goal of all of this money stuff isn't just to die with the biggest retirement account balance. It's about having security, having options, being generous, and honestly, just sleeping really well at night. Financial stress is literally an epidemic right now. More than 2 in 5 US adults say money negatively impacts their mental health, at least occasionally. We're talking anxiety, stress, racing thoughts, loss of sleep, even depression. Remember, money is just a tool. If you aren't lying awake at night stressing over your finances, that right there is the ultimate indicator of true financial success. But there's one final piece of the puzzle that ties all these silent signs together. Because as of 2024, only 36% of US households actually had a long-term financial plan. And having that plan, that's the crucial glue. It's what holds your margin, your emergency fund, your investments, and your lifestyle choices all together in one cohesive strategy. This is exactly why a proven step-by-step system, like the Financial Order of Operations, is so powerful. It's basically a playbook that tells you precisely what to do with every single dollar, in the exact right order. That way, you never have to sit around stressing if you're making the right move. And hey, listen to me on this. If you've been following along with this explainer and you're realizing maybe none of these 5 signs apply to you quite yet, please do not feel defeated. You just need a clear system to guide your dollars. Treat these 5 signs as your future goals and just start building that foundation today. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final provocative question to chew on. Is your money buying you things, or is it buying you peace? Take a hard look at your financial choices this week. Focus on those silent signs of true wealth and keep building towards a more secure, peaceful tomorrow. Like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel.